to find the characteristics of the Zener diode and find a reverse breakdown voltage. The circuit is like this. From the battery's positive terminal is goes to lower of the rheostat, and negative terminal also goes to lower of the rheostat. Okay, and the upper terminal goes to the series resistor, and again negative terminal of the rheostat goes to the circuit also. These two terminals goes to the ammeter, and these two terminals goes to the voltmeter. Okay, now if we have provided a variable battery, so we would not connect rheostat. We can't connect rheostat, so the circuit is like this. If we have a variable battery, so we use directly to the circuit and don't use the rheostat. Okay, done. So we have the actually variable battery. Here we connect battery, here we connect ammeter, current meter, and here we connect voltmeter. This is our Zener diode, and this is our series resistor which is inbuilt connected. Okay, so we connect first of all battery. We have a variable battery which is shown over here. Variable battery can change value of voltage easily, so we don't connect rheostat. Now here we connect ammeter. Positive, red is positive, black is negative. Red is positive, black is negative. Okay, similarly for the voltmeter, red is positive connected to voltmeter, negative connected, and circuit is completed. Circuit is completed. Now we are going to change value of voltage from the battery and measure current and volt from these meters. Okay, so first of all we find the list count of the devices. To find the list count of the devices, first of all we find list count of the ammeter. It's from 0 to 5 milliampere. There is a 10 divisions, so we can write 5 by 10 is the list count, which is 0.5 milliampere. Okay, similarly for voltmeter, there is a 10 division between 0 to 2. There is a 10 division between 0 to 2, so list count will be 2 by 10, which is 0.2 volt. Okay, here range of the ammeter is from 0 to 25 milliampere, so we can write range of the ammeter is 0 to 25 milliampere. Okay, and the list count of the ammeter is, there is a 10 division between 0 to 5, so we can write 5 by 10 is the list count, means 0.5 is the list count of the ammeter, means 0.5 milliampere is the list count. We can also find like 0 to 5, there is a between 10 divisions, so we can write value of 10 division is 5 milliampere. So value of 1 division is what? 5 by 10, which gives 0.5 milliampere. Okay, which is like this. Okay, now for the voltmeter, there is a 10 division between 0 to 2, so we can write 2 by 10, which is 0.2 volts. And the range of the voltmeter, range means maximum value of the voltage which can we are able to measure on the voltmeter is 10 volt, so we can write 10 volt over here. 10 volt is the range of the voltmeter. Okay, these are the observations we will write after drawing circuit. So now we are going to take readings changing the voltage of the battery, which is shown over here. We will measure the value of the current from the ammeter. Okay, so first of all, for the 0 volt, it's shown 0 volt. For the 0 volt, current is also 0, so we can write for the 0 volts current is 0 milliampere. Okay, for the 5 division in the voltmeter, 5 divisions means 5 into list count, 5 into 0.2 means 5 into 0.2 gives 1 volt. Okay, for 1 volt, what is the current in the ammeter? what is the current in the ammeter? Current is again 0 milliampere. So now for the 10 divisions, we will take reading for the 10 divisions. 10 divisions means 10 into the list count. What is the list count? List count is 0.2, means 10 into 0.2 gives the 2 volt, which is written. So here for the 2 volt, 10 into 0.2, you don't need to write this. This is only for your information. You have to write only these values. We will check what is the current. Current is again 0 milliampere. Okay, so we write 0 milliampere again. Now for the 15 divisions, for 15 divisions, okay, 15 divisions, what is current? Current is again 0 for the 15 divisions. 15 divisions means 15 into 0.2, which gives 15 into 0.2, okay, which gives the 3 volt. Okay. For 3 volt current is also 0. For we will take for 4 volt. Again for 4 volt current is also 0. So we take for the 5 volt. 5 volt again current is 0. For the 5 volt again current is 0. Okay. For the after that current is started to increasing. After the 5 volt current has started to increasing. Okay. So we will write for the up to 5 volt, we will write all the zeros. For up to 5 volt we write for the 3 volt, 4 volt, 5 volt, all are 0 0 0 milliampere. Okay, current. Now after 5 we will check what is the reading. Okay, so after 5 we will displace only one division. Only one division means after 5 there is one division. Okay, so we can write the list count is 0.2 of voltmeter. ठीक है, तो after 5.2 means 5 plus 0.2 means 5.2. The reading is like this. After 5 there is one divisions means 5 plus 0.2 means it gives 5.2 volt. There is a current of, current shows 15 divisions. Current shows 16 divisions, actually 16 divisions means 16 divisions in the ammeter means 16 into list count of the ammeter is 0.5, which gives 8 milliampere of the current. So we can write over here 8 milliampere of the current at 5.2 volts. Now we will check for the 5.4 volt. For the 5.4 volt we will display only one divisions from the voltmeter. Okay, so after the 4 there is a 7 division. Okay, after the 4 there is a 1 2 3. After the 4 there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th divisions. Okay, means 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth division is 5. After 5 there is a 2 division. Means 0.2 means 0.4. 5 plus 0.4 gives 5.4 volt. Okay, 5.4 volt. Or you can directly check by counting the total number of divisions: 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. You can directly check 27 divisions. Total divisions 27 into list count of the voltmeter is 0.2. Okay, so you can again come to 5.4 volt. Now we will check what is the current at 5.4 volt. Current is 20 milliampere plus 1 division, means the list count of this device is 0.5, means 20 plus 0.5 means 20.5 is current, means 20.5 milliampere is the answer. Or you can also check the reading by counting total number of divisions: 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. 41 into list count, 41 into the list count of the ammeter, which is 41 into 0.5, which will also gives you to 20.5. Here the Zener diode is in reverse bias, so we will write all the values negative as negative. Okay, don't write 0 as a negative. Now we will plot a V versus I graph. Now we are going to plot a graph of V versus I. Here all readings are in negative, so graph will be in the third quadrant. So for the 0 volt there is a 0 milliampere current. So 0 volt there is a 0 milliampere current. Similarly for 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt up to 5 volt there is a 0 current. So we will plot up to 5 volt there is a 0 milliampere current. After that 5.2 means after 5.2 there is a lots of current flow from the emitter, which is 8 milliampere. After the 5.2 means we can write two divisions. After the 5 there is a two divisions, gives the 5.2, 5.4, 5.6, 5.8 and 6. Okay, so we will use 5.2 as a two division after the 5.2. Okay, done. Okay, for the 5.2 there is a 8 milliampere current flows. Okay, so 8 milliampere current for the 5.2. Okay, done. Similarly for the 5.4 there is a 20.5 milliampere. 5.4 means after the 5 there is a 4 division, means 5.4. This is the 5.4, and 20.5 means 20.5 means 18, 19, 20, 21. Between 20 and 21 there is a 20.5 will be the reading. Okay, now we are going to make a smooth graph without scale. So this shows, this line shows the Zener breakdown voltage. Zener breakdown voltage, which will be 5 volt. Which is your answer?